Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
I would like you to introduce yourself to everyone.
Uh-huh. Okay, I go by the name Kiplimo mostly, but my name is Emmanuel Kiplimo Rop. Yeah, I'm a graduate engineer to be. I did electrical and control engineering. And this is my project. This is a project which I came up with sometimes back while I was in a second year. So currently I'm graduating, so I decided to revive it back because that time with the little knowledge I had I tried my best, but it didn't go well, it didn't go successful because of power outage. But now I've tried to minimize all the challenges which anyone can experience with this project. And yeah, we expect the best. In the next 30 days or so we'll be hatching here some eggs. These are 2000 capacity uh, mini machine, can hatch over 2000 chickens at a go. Yeah, so
Tell us more about your passion of farming.
my passion for farming started way back while I was in campus. I liked automating farm equipments. I think it was on my third year I tried a project in aquaponics. I tried prototyping because of minimal resources that time and studies. I couldn't actualize it, but this is just a beginning. This is just a beginning of farming. Um, Maybe in the coming years, with enough resources, could be having a big farm here, comprising of chicken farm, goat farm, coffee farm, a lot of animal keeping. Yeah, so I'm very passionate with agriculture, especially automation in agriculture, because we are an evolving world. Okay, so with technology, so we must evolve. We use the knowledge which you have gained in campus, so yeah, we give back to the society. Yeah,
Okay, we wish you all the best in your farming endeavors.
thank you.
So tell us, so far you have been working with Geotto. What did you like about them and what did you hate about them? And also, are you satisfied with the end product?
Okay, Geotto, I can call Geotto as a family to me because the CEO and the members of Geotto are just my friends. We're in campus together, so I find it comfortable working with them. And the passion which they have, especially concerning geothermal, application of geothermal and this incubation. So me partnering with them is I call it a success actually, because I believe in them. I actually believe in them so much. And since the people we have been working together on some other projects, I'm sure in all the innovation they have to be perfect. They are passionate with innovations. So this being a kind of product of Geotto in a way, because I've used their technologies, I feel like all will be okay. The shallow knowledge which I had back then in my second year, combining with the knowledge I've gained in Geotto, uh, it will bring something big. And I'm hoping to work well with Geotto. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the positive feedback.
Uh-huh.
Now I was wondering if you could show us how the incubator works
Uh-huh.
and you can explain to us for potential future customers who might be interested in something similar.
Okay, okay. This is how it works. This is the main switch where we get the power supply. We get the AC from the normal socket. It uses the 240 volts. Here inside there's a power supply. It supplies the DC volts and AC volts. So we have channel using this cabling. This is just a normal cable because I'm not dealing with huge power. So on this sector we have the controller. The power which is being supplied by this power supply, it comes to the controller. Yeah, this is just a simple microcontroller, the knowledge which you have been learning back then in campus. So it's just a simple to use, like any normal person can use. So we have this green button and the yellow button. So the green button serves like changing the mode for what you want to incubate, because this machine can incubate 4 varieties of birds. As you can see, the first one is a chicken mode. You can set duck mode, turkey mode, and quails. That is the only modes which you have. So you just set, when you're okay, you want to incubate maybe the eggs for the chicken, you set at the chicken mode, then you set here. As you can see, it has a welcoming message which has been configured. For me, I love my farm being called Cherungu's Farm. This is the name which comes from my grandfather because I love him. So this is the configuration, the interface. Just a simple interface. It displays the temperature and the humidity, and it counts down the number of days which can take for incubation. For chicken, it takes 21 days, but we have to maximize, maybe because of maybe some few challenges. We put it on 32 days, but the normal days are 21. So after setting up, you have placed your eggs. These are the trays where you put the eggs. Aha. Just a normal trays. I tried my best to be very simple, no much modification. So these trays you can stack on them. Me saying it carries a capacity of almost 2000 means that just like this one stack, this has a 4 trays. 4 trays carries around on 20 eggs. So if you go by the on a column and row, when you do a simple mathematics, this shelf and this shelves can carry around 1800, and the upper shelf, because of just minimization of the space, another 200 capacity. So a total of 2000 capacity for this machine. Here we have a humidifier. This is just a normal heater. We're heating the water to create moisture for creating humidity, which is the part of the condition for incubating. A normal heater, that is just a bulb around 200 watts. It doesn't consume too much power actually. This is to provide heat for the incubation. Those are the fan to supply the air circulation. Those small gadgets there are sensors. You see, there are 2 sensors to monitor the condition here and there. I'm planning to add another one at the end so that we average the values and we get the at least an accurate measurement. Down here we have 2 fans, one for exhaling the air and one inhaling. Okay, that's a weird term, but this one removes the air inside the incubator. The other one sucks in the air. This one sucks out. That is a normal term which one can use. Yeah, and